the last sound. Make sure we're glued to our spots. Ready? Here we go. First word, both.
Both.
Good. Make sure we're all going. Here we go. Flash.
Flash.
Excellent. Fifth.
Fifth.
Nice. Finish.
Finish.
Teach.
Teach.
Cinch.
Cinch.
Excellent. Next one. We are going to say a word, and then we're going to chop it on our arm. I'm going to put up how many sounds it is, how many phoneme sounds. Wrench. There you go. Next, death. 3 sounds.
F. Death.
Nice. Try lunch one more time. Here we go.
Lunch.
Lunch. Next, crash. 4 sounds. Crash. Crash. Try crash again. Here we go. 4 sounds. Crash. Crash. Nice. Say chip. Say chip. Replace ch with sh. Say cheese. Say cheese. Replace ch with these. Good. Say cheap. Say cheap. Replace ch with sh. Say chair. Say chair. Replace ch with sh. Say sheet. Say sheet. Replace sh with w. Say where. Say where. Replace w with ch. Alright, here we go. Say ear. Say ear. Put a ch in front. You got cheer. Say red. Say red. Put a th in front. You got red. Say ease. Say ease. Put ch in front. You got cheese. Listen. Here we go. Say eel. Say eel. Put w in front. You got eel. There you go. Say art. Say art. Put ch in front. You got say oars. Say oars. Put ch in front. You got Say chill. Say chill. Take off ch. You got Say wheat. Say wheat. Chop off whoop. You got Say shout. Say shout. Chop off sh. You got